Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the forecast chart of DXY, and as per our expectation, DXY DXY is weak, and the previous support of 103.50 is acting as resistance right now. The current market price of DXY is 103.05. This is the current market price. Overall, the structure of DXY is very weak, and as we have already discussed that we do not have any immediate major support on the chart of DXY right now. And if we look at the economic calendar, then we can see that today we have got some big, huge, high impact news is coming up. Inflation rate, CPI, the initial jobless claims. So, okay, my goodness. Okay, so there are many events lined up for the day. So market will show some volatility. DXY will show some volatility. It means that gold will also show some volatility. Gold flat as traders await US inflation data. To be honest, I don't think so. It's a flat market, but yet still. Um, As per news, market is flat, okay, because most of the traders around the world are waiting for the data. So yes, this news will be very big for the market. So my dear friends, whatever I'll be discussing in this video are applicable before the news only. Okay, the levels that I'll be discussing today are applicable before the news only, because when the news comes out, okay, the market gets extreme volatile, and you must understand, when fundamentals come into the scene, the technicals usually fail. So as a result, the levels that I'll be discussing are mostly applicable before the news only. So right now gold is standing at 1883. There was a minor drop on the chart of gold yesterday. To be honest, I was expecting a big drop on the chart of gold. It did not come, but still our minor support we discussed yesterday worked. We uh, we discussed about the minor support around 1868 for day trading purpose. Market came down and bounced from 1867. More or less our level worked, and we got a nice buying opportunity. You all have made money also. I have received many messages and emails, and right now market is starting at 1883. Again, the problem is that market is going up. We do not have any immediate resistance or strong resistance on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so first of all, we can see that this is a trend line that is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, so the black line is one trend line that is working as dynamic resistance for the market. So as a result, during the Asian session and the European session, we have a minor resistance around 1890. We have a minor resistance around 1890. If possible, try to draw a trend line like this and just see whether market reverses or not. If market doesn't reverse, just leave it. No need to do anything, because the another resistance on the chart of gold will be around 1896 or 1897 to 1900 level. This is a better resistance on the chart of gold. In case DXY falls after CPI, obviously gold will be going up. In that case, it may fail. But before news, if market starts going up, then there's a high chance that 1897 to 1900 will act as the next resistance for the market. And the reason is that you can see, apart from the black line, we also have another trend line here, which is also acting as dynamic resistance. Okay, and you can see if we stretch the trend line here, it ends here, somewhere around here. So what is the level here? We can see the level will be around 1897, 1898 level. And if we go to the daily chart right now, see, this is the daily chart of gold. And if we draw the Fibonacci retracement levels here, we can see Fibonacci 50%, sorry, 61.8% retracement level around 1897 here. Okay, it is the same level where we also have the trend line. So as a result, there's a good possibility that it will act as a resistance. Okay, keep in mind, Okay, market is in uptrend right now. What is the trend of the market? Market is in uptrend. So as a result, we may get a quick selling opportunity. Okay, I'm not saying that market will reverse completely. There will be a trend reversal. No, nothing like that. At least we can expect some quick selling opportunity around 1897, 98 level. If market goes up, if you see prices being rejected from above, if you see market forming shooting star pattern, you will get the confirmation that okay, market is going for reversal. Sellers are sitting in this level. You can easily go for a sell position. And this is a good resistance before the news, and we also have minor resistance around 80-90 level, the black line here, but this is not a proper resistance. It may work, may not work. We will have to observe first, then only we will come to know whether it will work or not. Okay, and on the other hand, we have support around 1867, the yesterday's low. Okay, the yesterday's lows because of previous price rejection. 1867 is a support before the news, especially during the Asian session and European session if market starts falling. And if you're wondering about 1862-63 level, then yes, you can also use that as well. See, right now we are okay. Right now we are considering. Okay, so if we consider this high, the previous high of gold, then we can see we have some support around 1822 level. Okay, and on the other hand, if market reverses from 1800 level, then also we can see that we have some support around 1830 level. So overall, one thing is very much clear, that this level will play a big role, and the level is around 1825 to 1830. So after the news, in case there is a big drop in the market, 1825-30 has the potential to provide the required support to the market. 1825, 1830 is quite far away, but this is gold. We know gold is crazy. That's why I'm discussing right now. The second support is around 1862, 1863 level. We have used Fibonacci retracement here because this setup worked yesterday. You can see Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Okay, let me write it down. 1862 to 1863. Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous resistance to act as support. Previous high, okay, to act as support here. And below that we have also the trend line, the red line here, which is also acting as dynamic support in the market right now. So in case market starts falling, then we can expect the trend line around 1855 to act as the next support for the market. So this is also the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. See, I cannot give you the exact number regarding the trend line because this is a dynamic resistance, sorry, dynamic support. Okay, so let me sum it up. Market may get extreme volatile during the news, so traders, please be careful and do not rely on technical levels, because whenever there's a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals usually win the battle, technicals lose the battle. Okay, so levels may not work. So levels I'm discussing or I have discussed are mostly for before the news only. The first resistance is around 1890 because of the trend line, the black one. Okay, it may work, may not work. It is a weak resistance. So observe market, then only take the decision. But we have a better resistance around 1897, 1900 level because of the red trend line, which is the present channel of gold right now, as well as we have seen that on the daily time frame we have a resistance around this level as well. We have used Fibonacci. On the other hand, we have a minor support for day traders around 1867 level, yesterday's support. That's it. Then the second support is around 1862-63 level, which is the previous high, as well as Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. In comparison to 62, 67, sorry, in comparison to 67, this is a better level. Okay, then we also have the trend line, the red line, which is also acting as a dynamic support for the market right now, and the level will be around 1855. We will only come to know the exact figure during the live market, when market will fall. And the ultimate support is around 1825, 1830 level because of Fibonacci, as well as previous strong price rejection around the area, as well as we have the black trend line, which is also acting as the dynamic support around the same area. Okay, that's all. Hopefully, you got my point. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.